Welcome to Tenteram Peak in the vibrant Kallang Whampoa district, where I not only specialize in real estate but also call home. Hi, I'm Cheryl from Orange Tea AAG. Today, I'm thrilled to show you this remarkable 4-room unit at 117A Jalan Tenteram, a truly unique residence in this sought-after neighbourhood. This 1,001 square feet true corner unit offers privacy and space in abundance with a serene resort-inspired design. Step up to a beautifully transformed corridor space, now a lush oasis with full grass, a charming kids bench, and practical outdoor storage. It's a perfect blend of beauty and functionality, providing a welcoming space for kids to play and explore. Stepping in, the foyer is simple yet sophisticated, adorned with a wall mirror and chic decor that sets the tone for the rest of the home. A built-in ceiling-tall shoe cabinet in a chic combination of white and light pine wood serves as a statement piece that ties into the home's overall aesthetic, echoing the design of the TV console and other furnishings. The living room is where this home truly shines. Bathed in natural light, it exudes an air of tranquility and spaciousness with its calming hues of white and cozy recessed lighting that perfectly captures the resort-inspired ambience. The entertainment area is perfectly laid out to accommodate a large sofa, an extra armchair, and coffee table. The floating TV console keeps the space sleek and uncluttered, allowing the minimalist palette to take center stage and offering you a canvas to personalize with your unique touch. Seamlessly connected, the intimate dining area sits 6 comfortably, perfect for family dinners and casual brunches. The proximity to kitchen means that serving meals is a breeze. The kitchen is a chef's dream, continuing the white and pine theme with a modern twist. With abundant cabinetry and a tall boy featuring a built-in oven, every inch is designed for convenience and style. A sleek cooker hob and a ceiling height hood paired with a spacious sink makes meal prep effortless. This kitchen is not only functional, it's a space where the home's cohesive design truly comes to life. The utility yard offers practical space with washer-dryer setup and ample storage. The first bedroom doubles as a cozy study, featuring a sleek study table with upper cabinets for storage. There's also ample space for a bed, with clean lines and bright finishes that create an airy open feel. The oak flooring adds warmth and durability, perfectly complementing the minimalist design. The second bedroom is spacious, easily accommodating a queen-size bed with a pristine built-in wardrobe. The neutral tones and cozy oak flooring maintain the home's cohesive design. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, featuring a 5-door L-shaped wardrobe that hides a surprise, a built-in dresser. Open one of the doors to reveal a stylish, well-lit dressing area, complete with a mirror and comfortable stool that tucks away neatly. The attached bathroom continues the home's clean white palette and minimalist coastal theme, offering a spa-like experience. The common bathroom echoes the design of the ensuite. This city fringe location offers unmatched convenience. Just 3 bus stops to Toa Payoh MRT and a short distance to Novena and Boon Keng MRT stations. You're also close by to Shaw Plaza and Zhongshan Mall, with Balestier Road nearby for food lovers. Our unit is sheltered to the multi-story car park, and right at the next block is a cozy coffee shop, a brand new supermarket, clinic, hairdresser, and childcare centre. Talk about ultimate convenience. We're also a short walk to the popular Whampoa Market and Neighbourhood Centre. Easy access to PIE and CTE puts Orchard Road just 8 minutes away. Cyclists and joggers will enjoy the serenity of Sungai Whampoa via Whampoa Park Connector here. Schools within 1 to 2 kilometres include Pei Chin, St. Andrews Junior, Hong Wen, CHIJ Primary and Bendemeer Primary. 117A Jalan Tenteram is more than just a home. It's where charm meets convenience in perfect harmony. With its thoughtfully designed interiors and prime city fringe location, this corner unit offers a lifestyle of both luxury and ease. If you are seeking a sanctuary that embodies the best of both worlds, this could be the perfect place to call your own. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home next. I'm Cheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.